Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learn the Quran with Aman. This is an educational video about Surah Maun. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدعو اليتيم ولا يحض على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Subhan, and I will tell you the meaning of this surah, Surah Maun. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Did you see a person who says there is no day of judgment? He is the one who does not give sadaqah to needy people. He does not feel he has to give. Woe to those who pray, but those who don't pray. Those who do deeds to show off, they don't care of anything in life. Now Afreen will say.
Surah Maun is in the 30th chapter of the Quran. It is the 107th surah. Also, it has 7 ayahs. It is about the people that pray and do good deeds, and the people who hate Allah and His teaching, as well as people not praying and showing off. These people are known as kafirs. Kafirs are people who don't like Allah at all and doesn't care about what the holy people said.
I hope you learned something.